So here I am at EMO 2019. It's Monday afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock here, so 3 o'clock in the UK. We're in Hall 27. We've already done a lot of reviews this afternoon on machines, one of which is this Brother Speedy M300 X3. Now this is a multitasking machine. You might have seen videos on our channel before, but the key to this machine is the fact that you can produce parts in one hit. And the X3 version has actually just been increased in its capacity as well, as I found out earlier. But you can see this part perfectly illustrates the type of components that can be made on this machine. Imagine doing all of those operations at once: turning, boring, milling the faces, drilling, tapping, all of that. You've got 22 tools in the carousel. If we step this way, here is the finished component. This is the type of casting or the size of component that can be machined on here. And I think if you see in the back of the machine, if you turn the camera to the right, you'll be able to actually see the machining area of the machine as well. And just look at the agility of it, the speed, the indexing speed of the tools, the way the axis movement is, the acceleration. All of those factors help you to reduce cycle times when you're machining. But that's not just the key. The key really is on this particular machine to multitask and do the parts in one hit. There's going to be plenty more videos like this coming out over the coming hours and coming days. But that's it from me here on the Brother stand, looking at the Speedy machine in Hall 27.